flex your lower part, and then grip your true butt, bounce your chest up high, and then once you're ready, you bounce, and then you push. So you push this way, downward, forward, and angle. So you just bounce, and once you're ready, just push it very hard. 1, 2,